Okay. Oh, is it okay? Hi, hello. So basically, Limp told me to make him a video on how to make a challenge, a tournament on Challenge. So you just go to your dashboard here. This is because I did I did a test run before. So you go to the create a tournament right here in the top tournament. Just call it like UBG test, whatever, doesn't matter. URL, you just have the custom URL for it. Game, you can put untitled game. Yeah. So okay, now it starts. Do you want a single stage tournament or do you want a two-stage tournament? Basically, two-stage is just like the normal let me just take this. The normal stage tournament we have, like the groups where you separate players by groups. So that's what we're gonna be going with. This is standard single elimination. You go here 12 participants usually, and 2 from each group. So you have 2 finalists from each group, you know. But that depends. This is what it was for the high rank we did, where we had like 3 groups and we had 6 finalists. And then for final stage, this is like after the group stages, you either have single elimination where you get 1 winner basically, or you can have double where there's a loser's bracket. And for usually when you do that, you also create a break ties with placement, which basically just means you decide a third place or whatever you want. Usually it's third, right? So it's gonna look, you're gonna have, I mean, you can actually, I don't think I can actually show you, but you're just gonna have the normal bracket right here, and then after the player loses, it's gonna go move down to the loser's bracket, and then the players from both brackets meet at the end. And there's also gonna be a match for the third place participant, right? For the sake of this video, we're gonna go with this, but just know you can do whatever you want here. Grand finals, this is 1 to 2 matches or 1 match, doesn't really matter. It's the same thing. Registration, you're gonna go to host a sign up page, but don't make it publicly visible, because if you do that, people from Challenge, like they just use the site, can basically like just see your tournament and sign up, and you're not gonna know who they are. So don't check this. Free, obviously. Participants required to register as a team. This is if you do a team tournament, but we're not doing one now, so we're not gonna check that. Specify the maximum number. We don't need to do that actually. That was done in the past when the maximum number was like 64, but we also didn't have groups back then. It used to be a single stage, and the final would just be like, it would just like be one huge tournament with fucking 40 people at once, you know. So yeah, we're not gonna check that. Start time, we're gonna go to mark as tentative, because you don't actually know when you're gonna start. I mean, even if you do, there's no point in giving a clear time. You go here, you don't actually need to touch any of this. So advanced options as well, you don't need to, you can do this. You can do these, I guess, if you wanted to like keep it private from people so they don't know. We might actually do that. It's kind of interesting. It's a bit more interesting that people don't know who they're fighting, I think. So I'm gonna check this now. Personally, I think it's more interesting like that, but then again, it's up to whoever's making the attorney. So that's basically the main part, but obviously we also need more information from the user. So what you're gonna do is you go to custom fields. This is where you can add custom questions for registration, right? So you just click on add question, title, and you can always see I've already did this once. So you can ask for the Discord user, help test. This is like basically type your Discord username, right? This should be clear enough, but just in case it isn't, you can type this, but you gotta be like a real retarded. But anyways, moving on. Question type is gonna be it's gonna be text. Position first. It's the first question, and you have to click this. Required to be answered. So basically, they can't sign up if they don't answer this. And just click save. Then you just add more questions. You can add the write the Roblox text again required, and then also the depends on what turn you're doing. The highest, I mean, if you're doing an O rank, for example, we're gonna have more participants. We're gonna have like rookies and champs combined. You're gonna want to separate them so they don't fight at once. Like you don't wanna match like a diamond with a unified champion, right? So you can also add this, you know. But yeah, so now, right? You've added the questions. You've made the tournament. Now all you need to you just need to get participants, right? You go to the sign up page. You can copy the link from here. I think I don't even know where you copy it. So I mean, usually when I do, I just copy it from here, but there might be a way to copy it from somewhere else. Yeah, I don't know, man. But this is what it's gonna look like when you register. Just type here, right? And you see you have additional details: Discord, the Roblox, and the highest rank RT. But yeah, so that's basically it. That's like it's really not difficult to make one. It's pretty simple. But yeah, I hope I was useful. And I'll catch you in the next one, I guess. Yeah, see ya. Hi, yeah, it's me again. I'm back because I forgot to add something. So, sorry. Basically, you know how we made those custom fields, right? The Discord and the Roblox. I'm using this tournament as an example because this has already been done. So basically, how you're gonna check those is you go to responses right here. And then you see all the participants, and you also have export participants, and you click export participants and download as CSV, right? So I download right here. You can open it in your folder, and you're gonna open with Notepad usually, right? And in here you're gonna have all the participants and the answers to the questions you've put. So you can see here if you go to custom fields, right? Sorry. What the fuck did I do? Oops. Okay. What's your Discord username? Participant 1 606 Max. Their Discord username was Vodilla_Max, and their Roblox username was 606 Max, right? And that's the same for every participant. So if you need to search them on Roblox or on Discord, that's how you get their information basically that you've asked for. But yeah, that's it. I just had to add this in because I forgot to put it in the first time I recorded this. So yeah, that's it basically. Bye.